Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 16 Chevrolet Suburban. Came from Phoenix, so nice rust-free truck. A few little chips on the bumper, but not bad for a 100,000 mile rig. Pretty straight right here. Leather seats, sunroof, heated, 113044. Gonna have 2 keys. We'll start it up here. Memory seats, heads up display, rear heat of course, and your USB, Bose stereo, so nice and equipped. And if heated middle seat, that's the full seat in the back, so you can seat 8 people. Got good tires on it, Michelin, so good quality tire. Power rear hatch, of course, tow package. So if you're looking for a rust-free Suburban and a great price range, you can't beat this truck. Plus we put some warranty on it, 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty. Nobody else puts 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty on it that I know. And these Suburbans, they all rust in the back. You don't have to worry about that being an Arizona rig. 605-692-7010.